What's good, guys? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. If you are returning, thanks so much for tuning in. If you have not joined the channel and subscribed already, I would love to have you join the channel. As you guys read by the title, today I am going to be doing another Sunday reset. So I'm starting out by just tidying up my room. I'm mostly vacuuming in here, and then I'm going to move on to the next area. As you guys can see, I do have our little friend here. This is Princess. She is a new addition to our family, and we've really been loving her. And she's just one of those puppies who's not afraid of anything, even though she's so small. So she's just kind of running after the vacuum, playing around with it. And I'm just really amazed that she's not scared of it. But I am just going to finish up vacuuming in here, and then guys, as always, I like to just change out my sheets and pillowcases when needed, especially on Sundays. So it's definitely time for me to rearrange and put some more pillowcases on my bed. So I'm gonna get those into the washer, and then I am just going ahead and tidying up my bed. And then also my hubby also bought us this new pillow because I told him the pillows that we had on the bed I felt like were going flat. So he grabbed one. We are gonna definitely go back and grab a couple of more, but he wanted to see if I liked this style, and I definitely do like it. It is so freaking fluffy, and it's just very, very comfortable. It's not like too soft or like too firm. It's just the right amount. So I think this will be definitely the perfect pillow. So I'm gonna put that on the bed, and then I'm also just freshening up the room with the air freshener, and then going ahead and opening the blinds to let that sunlight in. It was really early when I started cleaning, so I definitely wanted to let the sunlight in. And guys, I got a new mic for the channel and just all of my videos that I put out to you guys, because I felt like it was just time. So I am just opening it up, and then I'm going to go ahead and adjust it and set it up on my camera, and then we're going to give it a little test. So here it is. Alrighty guys, so the new mic does work. Mic check 1 2 1 2. And then guys, he also picked up these little on-the-go air fresheners that were on sale. So I am going to be using these actually for my car. And now I am moving on into my restroom area, just tidying up in here. The countertops do get a little crazy because this is something, the area we use day and night daily. So I just like to keep it clean and organized. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything in place, and then go ahead and begin to just wipe the countertops down. And I'm going to be doing this all throughout my bathroom actually, because whenever stuff gets dusty or sticky or just dirty, I like to go ahead and sanitize it and wipe it down. Lysol wipes are my favorite to complete this task, just because I can just wipe and sanitize and dispose of it all at the same time. So that's what I'm doing here, just giving everything a good nice wipe down, starting with my counters, both of the sinks, and just making sure everything is nice and wiped down and sanitized and clean. This is definitely a great part of resetting, because a clean space, you just never get tired of it. moving on to my cabinets and my tub area. I definitely love to wipe this bathtub out even when I'm not using it. I take a lot of showers and not a lot of baths, but I do like to relax in the bath sometimes when I feel like I've overworked myself or I just need to relax my muscles or whatever. I like to get into the bath, so I like to always just have it clean and ready to go whenever needed. And for some reason, guys, there's these black little bugs that I keep finding in the tub that I think are coming through the drain, so I always have to keep the drain stopper closed to avoid them. But if anybody is experiencing this problem and know how to get rid of them, I don't even know what they're called, but they drive me crazy. So that's another reason I like to just make sure that the tub is sanitized and clean as well, because of those little bugs that sometimes come up the drain. So yeah. And to end off sanitizing and wiping down my bathroom, I am going ahead and sweeping the floors because, like I said, this is an area we use a lot. I do my hair in here a lot. I just do all the things and the floor gets dirty. So mainly sweeping up just hair and dust and just whatever else is on the floor, along with these sanitizer wipes that I use, and I'm just going to go ahead and get those all up, and then we should be good to go in the restroom, and then I'll show you guys how it looks all tidied up. And here it is, guys, all tidied up, all fresh, clean. Everything is in order like it needs to be. Everything is wiped down. Everything is good to go. So this makes me really happy, and it helps you relax when your space is clean. So I'm going ahead and wiping down my dressers and everything that kind of collects dust as well. Things that I don't normally wipe down very often, just when needed. So it was definitely time, so I just went ahead and wiped that down, and yeah, everything looks good in here. And then the last thing I want to do is go into my kitchen area and just wipe down the table. I like to keep it nice and tidy and clean as well, because we do sit at the table. My kids do sit here a lot, but they don't always remember to like clean up after themselves properly. So I like to just go back behind them and just wipe it down and make sure it's all tidy and just looking clean and nice, because like I said, I don't like looking at a dirty space. And then I am going ahead and just clean off the chairs too. I love the material of these chairs because all you have to do is just give them a good wipe and whatever is on them comes right up. So that's what you guys see me doing there. And then, guys, this basket that I bought for the summertime to go on like picnics and just take along with me, it has migrated and now become a staple on the table. So we're using it to still carry it along with us when needed, but I just like to have it loaded on the table as well. It looks really good to have like paper plates and forks and napkins and everything ready to go for when we sit down and eat something really quick. So I just like to have that there for my kids, and less dishes get dirty as well. So that's been working out great, and like I said, it looks really cute on the table still. So not only is it ready to go to take out, but it works.